Hi everyone, I'm going to make today meatball spaghetti. So, my spaghetti, it has a ketchup. We have homemade ketchup, so that's the one I'm gonna use. And we have also homemade tomato sauce. And we're gonna need onion, of course, garlic. I have ground beef for my sauce, and I have to make my meatballs. And we're gonna need also basil and oregano. This is all homemade, and this is our own basil and own oregano, and of course it's not my own ground bell pepper. And we're gonna need also red sweet bell pepper, and I'm using carrots because I want my meatball spaghetti to have vegetables. The meatball, I always use yellow mustard, and I have onion powder here and garlic powder, and we are going to use a little bit of soy sauce and 1 egg, and I have homemade breadcrumbs here. Let's start it. Our garlic powder is a little bit harsh, okay. And use garlic powder and add a little bit of yellow mustard. That's up to you if you want to use yellow mustard, but I like add a little bit of soy sauce, okay. And add your egg and breadcrumbs. That's my homemade breadcrumbs. I put 2 tablespoons. Mix this all. Ground black pepper, of course. Okay, everyone. We just use our hand to make the meatballs, and we just make molds and just put in the side. You don't have to use other plate. Okay everyone, everything is chopped already. Okay everyone, I heat up the cast iron. Then we just go and cook our meatballs first. Turn this side. So now we're just going to transfer this. And the oil of the meat, we're just use that, so we don't need extra oil because that's a lot of oil already, and the flavor is there, so that's the one I wanted there. Yes. So first I have beef also here. So we are going to use that for my sauce. So that's the one I always use my ground beef or my spaghetti sauce. So we're just using the cast iron. Just let that brown. Now I'm going to add our garlic. I just wanted the flavor. This is my own recipe for my spaghetti. So we are going to add next we are adding the onion. I use 1 medium onion. Then add ground black pepper and salt. And add our carrots. I really chop finely. My tomato has a chunk, so that's the one also I like it. You just add, so I guess you're gonna put 2 cups of tomato sauce. You're gonna put the water in it. Okay. Add your ketchup. I put 1 to 3 tablespoons. Yeah, it would work. But when we try later, we can add also a little bit. Add our sweet bell pepper. Oh guys, I'm gonna add our basil. Just crunch it. Then add the oregano. Put the low heat, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of water. Okay everyone, it's boiling and it's all cooked. Now we are going to add our meatballs. Meatballs there. Okay, we are just going to let this boil our sauce, and then we're ready to eat. We're going to cook our spaghetti noodles. Now we just let it boil. We just turn it off. Then later, we're going to cook our noodles. Cooking the pasta. Okay everybody, I put it already in the plate. Sorry I didn't video. So here we go. Put the parmesan cheese on top and the sauce. So here's our meatball spaghetti. This is my own version. So hope you like it. See you again later. Bye.